all things must go, but who? This is what we talked about and we speculate, man. It's a lot of overhaul we see. We already seen it in the coaching staff, but we don't know what's going to happen in the locker room with the roster.
Yeah.
You can have your speculation. Um, and to be honest with you, man, I don't really know who the fuck gonna go. I can say who I want to go or who I don't want to come back, and we can throw those names out. And it's a lot of the kids for me. It's some of them kids that strong armed in the off season, played games, stuff like that. Yeah, I don't need them back. If they got eligibility, go on and take a shot at the league or
Yeah.
transfer on. That's how I feel. But you go ahead, man. What
Yeah,
you got?
man. From what I heard, man, the main guys you plan on retaining is basically Pat's retained group.